one of the things that we generally see as a strength of the product is the openness of the architecture and its ability to integrate with other third-party systems, whether it's a Microsoft product or not. How have you seen that unfold with clients? Is that a real thing in reality?
No, that's a very real thing, and I'm glad you do that. You help me remember stuff too, right? One of my food and beverage, yeah, it is food and beverage companies. That became a real important decision maker, was the ability to integrate. When I talk about the infrastructure, that technology stack and the infrastructure layer, a lot of it's about my ability to integrate, right? Integrate with legacy, integrate with third parties. So that became important, and that's another reason that I think that's a strength of Microsoft when you go to evaluate it. Because remember, now you've got, if I'm a Microsoft, if I got an investment in Microsoft, I've got Outlook and all the other tool sets. I've maybe got business intelligence tools. I've got a lot of investment there, and maybe I'm also in the cloud environment. Right. So now I've got the ability to integrate. I've got the ability to now easily migrate into and out of. So a lot of the migration capabilities and integration capabilities become very valuable. I think the more you have a need to do that, a lot. This particular, I'll go back to the one client that had over 80 divisions. There was going to be a lot of iterations of their implementation over a long period of time, which would take them in and out of different legacy software, the need to integrate to legacy software and then throw it away later, integrate with third parties. The whole model is going to change over time, and the ability to integrate, easily get in and out of integration was a huge, huge sell for those folks. And so I've got another client that's a food and beverage. They have a lot less of an issue, but very similar in that they've got a little bit of a longer path to migrate, and they'll need a lot of integration capabilities. But the one with the 80 business units was a manufacturer. Let me take that. It was a manufacturer. They were going to have a longer path, and you can see integration and migration was a huge need for them, and a need to have a platform that would support that easily. So absolutely.
Yeah, very interesting. I think that's what a lot of people love about D365 is that open architecture, flexibility, the Microsoft look and feel, the fact that it integrates to all these other Microsoft tools and products that people are using anyway. So I could see how that would all be one big advantage for companies using D365.
Yeah, I mean, when you think about it, Microsoft is, you've got the ability to with standard APIs. It's got that. You've got third-party apps that are built to integrate with Microsoft 365. You've got the third parties that have standard capabilities already built in to work seamlessly with D365. And obviously, you still have the ability to build custom stuff too, if you need to do that. If none of those other ones meet that criteria, you have the ability to integrate with custom solutions as well. So you've got a lot of ways that you can make it work. And then, of course, it's built on top of a platform that's integration friendly. So.